In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we can add clickable links to your Canva video just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. So I have this video here. This is my video, as you can see.
If you're looking to get rid of stubborn
So I want to add a clickable
abdominal
link.
fat, then this is
Sorry guys. I want to add clickable link to this video. What you will do, you just need to click over here on text and click over here and add a text here. So for example, I'm gonna add let's say for example click here like this. And what I will do next, I will click on this title and I will put this title here, double click on the title, and you should see here link. Okay, click on link and put your link here. So for example, let's add Pinterest link. For example, I'm gonna add this Pinterest link. I will copy this link and I will go back to Canva and I will put this link here. So for you can put any link that you want. You can put your YouTube link, Facebook page, any links that you want. Okay, and just click on done, and here you go. So this link will be a clickable link. Okay, you guys can see if we click on this link, we have this website of Pinterest over here. That's how we can add clickable links to your Canva video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have any question, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.